Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Well, Mira, are you sick or something?
Ayan,
Go ahead, babe. Make it.
No, Mira!
Yeah, it's okay. Why not? You want to do the pleasure? The honors?
This one?
I think it's
only.
maybe too much. One only?
You cannot,
Maybe.
masisira.
Maybe.
It's broken when the tooth. It's heavy. No, it's fine.
I think it's okay.
It's okay?
It's yeah, borderline. Maybe take one out?
Oh, yes. Yes?
Yes?
Maybe to clean it.
Well, is it turning?
Maybe to clean it more. To clean it more, maybe only one.
Which one do you want to pull out? Mine?
Here.
Well, no, I mean,
Spinning.
it is turning.
Pero madali siya masira na yung niyan ilalim pag ganyan na So how many mabigat?
Well, is that dry? Is that measured dry? I don't know how they do that.
Masisira yung What?
When they say kilo, how is that measured?
I don't know.
This isn't 11 kilo, it's 7 kilo.
It's 7,
but that's still not 7 kilos, those two
I think
things.
it's fine. Look, it's spinning.
Yeah, it is turning, yeah. Where are we, babe? In Tagbilaran, yeah. And why are we in Tagbilaran?
Check on the motorcycle.
Well, that's not why we came to Tagbilaran.
Why?
Why are we here?
To get my helmet.
We can look for a helmet, yeah. And what else?
For your phone.
Well, we can do that too.
Why are we here in Tagbilaran then?
Because we're going to Alona, right?
Okay.
And why are we going to Alona?
To meet someone?
Basically, yeah. It's first time meeting a subscriber in person, yeah? Where are we?
In Tagbilaran.
And where are we now in Tagbilaran?
Yeah.
What are we doing in Yamaha?
Should I say to go to Alona?
Why are we in Yamaha?
Motorcycle.
Yeah. What do we want on the motorcycle? ABS, yeah.
Oh, that's... They say they don't have blue.
Yeah, of course they said that.
They got blue.
Wow, it's mahal.
Well, the other one said it's 175, right?
Yeah,
This one is 180.
but normally they should be around 160. So which one, guys? Silver or blue?
I like the blue.
Yeah, I do too. Oh, this does not have anti-lock brakes. But it says anti-lock brakes. It's supposed to be. I have to ask. There's supposed to be anti-lock brakes, I thought. I saw online, it says ABS. Normally the ABS has like this. Sorry? Not ABS? thought the 155. But I saw online they say ABS. I don't know, it's confusing. I thought all the 155 and bigger had ABS. Okay. Alright, well thank you. Only 500 pesos? So the lowest is
180, 500.
Okay. Alright. So I'll look here too. Okay. Well, we have to do more research. See, you remember what the guy told us, right? He said that that means ABS. Which one do you like better, babe? That one? Yeah. Yeah, I like that one, yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking this. Hmm? And is this supposed to have a windshield or something here?
This one.
It's the same as this?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Okay, next week then.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Not bad. It's okay. So, what's the advantage of that or this? Like, why?
The handling. This one is like that.
But the mechanicals and stuff are all the same, right? Yeah. What do you think, babe?
That's a big storage right there.
Yeah.
Hopefully it is still available, huh?
Yeah. How long has this been here already?
It's the 2022 edition. So yeah, it's last year. It's last year.
So it's been here for a year?
September? No, it's almost. I mean, September.
Last September.
Okay.
2023.
Maybe 4 months already.
Yeah.
So it should be there next week.
I hope so.
Maybe.
But maybe we can still have a stock of that.
Huh?
Maybe we still have a stock of that.
Are there other colors in this?
Type of edition? No,
Yeah.
this is the only one.
No, I mean, of the arrow. Are there other colors? Or is it only white, gray?
Yes, it's the only
And blue. White, gray, and blue lang.
gray and silver. The other one is white. It's the ABS.
Mm-hmm.
A different price. That's the 2024 3 edition.
So someone told us that all the motorcycles that have this is ABS.
Only a front one for ABS only.
So some have front ABS but not back.
No. There's no ABS at the back, only at the front. But this is for the Inox, it's both.
So this one, it's the front wheel ABS, back is not.
No, yes.
I see. Well, that's the most important though, right?
The front.
The front, yeah. But this one,
It's both.
front and back,
Both equipped, yes.
ABS. That one looks like a robot, no?
And when you drove that one in Cebu, you don't like it, right?
Yeah,
What do you
that's
think?
true. I drove one of those in Cebu. I didn't like it. Yeah.
Okay, so this one then. Next week.
Yeah. Well, let's see if
When
it's
we
here in a
get
week.
up. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Go. It's not real, right?
No. should have got that on video.
Yeah.
You know us well, huh?
Meat lover?
Is that what it was? Sure, why not?
Yeah, for a change, meat lover.
Okay.
One meat lover, one spaghetti bolognese. What else? Anything else?
A glass of house wine.
Right, sir?
Yeah, let's get started early.
So 2 glasses of red wine? Only one, no?
I think one for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Vanilla Sky, guys. Check it out. Great food, great place to stay, nice pool. Long time no see, Gretchen. Do you have a boyfriend? Huh? Oh, you're married with family. Okay. Sorry, guys. No, somebody sent a message saying you guys needed more hot sauce on Facebook. Yeah, we got a message saying you needed hot sauce for the restaurant.
Yes, I think it was 2 weeks ago.
And you know what? I'm such an idiot. I forgot it. I didn't even think about it.
Okay.
Are you out, or you still have some?
I think we are out already. But when is it available?
Hmm?
When is it available?
Well, I should have brought it. I have hot sauce. I just forgot to bring it. You're out, huh?
Yeah. We are using Tabasco.
Oh no. Tabasco? That's terrible. Shoot. The other question is, he said you were working on the Uber Eats and Panda
Yes,
for the hot
our
sauce.
We already add it on our Grab.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Okay. And then there's Panda?
And now we don't have an account yet for the...
Right, but Alex said you would sign up, register, and then also...
Hopefully,
Huh?
hopefully soon we have it.
Okay, and then Grab Eats, Uber Eats, or Uber... I think there's an Uber one, no? Uber Food or something? No?
I'm not familiar with the...
I thought
Only the
Panda and Grab. Okay. I'll look into that. Okay, thank you. How is it? Right?
Now, Licky, you will Jaja exercise, so it's okay for food to eat much.
All gone, huh, babe?
Mga batang baki. Alam mo na, girl, it's my cooking. Can Aaron cook? Can you cook?
You don't remember what you told them last time? You
Yeah,
told them I
cook.
can.
Hey, that's what Mama used to tell me. Can't go outside till you clean your plate.
Yep. We know that one. I thought that was you.
Here.
Hey.
Guys, nag-live ka.
Are you-
Hi. Saan ka galing? Nag-beach ka?
You joining us tonight?
Later?
Yeah. Okay.
Hi guys. Yung mama ko. Hello.
Kanina lang kayo dito?
Oo, ayun pa lang.
Eh, pumunta kasi ako dito kasi yung mga bata palaging pinapawag sa akin.
Yung bata.
Are you eating here, or why did you come here?
Because the kids, the owner of the kids here, was
Alex?
calling me.
Ah. Okay.
So, dito ka muna.
Oh, dito muna ka. Hindi pwedeng dito.
Absolutely. Good job.